help out the people them. No money not there because the government them suck out everything out of our eye. You know, so I go on. We can't even drink a flask of rum no more. One flask of rum for 15 bills.
Hey guys, this is Anthony Tracey. Thank you for tuning in. So this is a departure from the typical videos I usually do. But this is something I really think I needed to speak on. You get me? So I'm sure a lot of you guys are aware of the invasion in Ukraine carried out by Russia. It's gotten a lot of media coverage all around the world. In Jamaica, the government received a ton of criticism as it relates to their seemingly lack of urgency as it relates to our Jamaican citizens that are currently in Ukraine. Alright, so just to give a little background on the issue. You see, before Russia began the invasion of Ukraine, our government had told our citizens that they need to make preparations to leave. Later, it was revealed that they had made an attempt to give the Jamaicans stranded in Ukraine a loan to return to Jamaica. Now the war is on and many of our Jamaicans are still there. Most of them are students, and many feel that the Jamaican government didn't do much to help them. Some say the government didn't do enough to ensure the safety of its citizens, while some feel that the government shouldn't be held accountable, as the citizens made the decision to migrate on their own. I went on the streets to hear how Jamaicans feel about this particular issue. Did the government do enough to keep our citizens safe? Should they be held accountable? Take a look.
What our Prime Minister need to do is to look out for the people them and stop look out for him pocket. Because that me see my deal, you know. You get too much money for spend. Spend it for our people them and stop spending it for your picnic. That is the problem we have in Jamaica. You can't stop crime, you can't stop nothing.
Why are you going to offer them a loan? Yeah, persons like Rural Reed and other persons in that whole situation, you put them on paid leave and pay them millions of dollars, and you find it difficult to carry home some students who would then contribute to the growth of Jamaica.
Them not do nothing at all to get them money. I don't see where them are trying, even a try. Them not do nothing.
So you don't think that the $1 million loan is enough?
No man, that's a joke thing. $1 million joke thing, man.
Honesty, I think self-responsibility has to take some place. I mean, you being there, being aware of a situation possibly escalating, you have to take matters in your own hands.
Get the fact that we have to take personal responsibility for one, and two was a war zone, but we're forgetting one crucial factor. Why did they have to leave Jamaica in the first place? Why don't we attack that? Make it more affordable for people to want to invest back out here.
I think they can do way better than what they're doing now, because their own ban and grow problem, and it does seem like them are nonchalant.
Let me tell you something. It's financially embarrassing. So them say them only can teach it to a certain level. But them don't want to tell you that they only can afford to teach it to a certain level. But I'm giving my Jamaican I will be paying for every school fee. The parents will be stopped paying. You will have to go back to university and cash.
Jamaica government can't do more. Of course, we have money out there to take care of our family. Put some money on their bank account.
I believe they're doing their best.
Yeah, do that.
Okay. Alright, that's fair. So I think they could be doing more, you know, they should make it free as far as I'm concerned.
Where poor people forget million from?
We fly back home.
We fly back home. Where they forget money from? When see
Random
Babylon drain the whole away. Babylon drain people, you know.
One up so one.
Nothing we can't buy. Not even bag juice we can't get in Jamaica to buy again. And listen what the government has said. 1 million for the student them where they are in Ukraine to come back. Big man. Fly down a plane and go pick up the whole of them and make them come back to Jamaica. Because if I did your family, it's the same thing you would have done.
And people are going to argue that yes, there were warning signs before, but that's not. It's not the bigger picture. Why did they have to leave Jamaica to go in our war zone to study in the first place? There's little to no availability of jobs out here. Student loan, personal experience, they don't offer loan for certain career paths because it's too expensive. I have a personal encounter with a friend of mine who I don't remember what was her field of study, was at UAE, and basically her parents don't have it, right? When she just started working, student was going to tell her how much she must pay out her pay, not how much she can afford, you know. Yeah, they're going to tell her that.
People are saying that because I know Jamaica send them there. So therefore the government shouldn't have any responsibility to bring them
man, that's
back.
a rubbish. That's a rubbish. That's a rubbish. We, not me, you know, nor you, you know, we, them include everybody, we are all Jamaican. So, what them say are rubbish. You can't carry that go through down a river and somewhere down. That's not relevant.
There's no limit to what the government should do for these students. Anything to take them home safely.
I mean, them are Jamaicans, so still stand.
Honestly, with the amount of money them give and waste on even the sign, I'm going to be able $8 million, I think it's a small margin. If it was a large group of students, like say 100 or so, then I would understand. But it's a very small group of students. I don't think the government did enough. This only showed me that them only care about themselves and the private sector. That's what I get from it.
Yeah.
Take it up and go for find the work, yes. But of course you're going to come back. As much best as we can, we don't want better for them. At the end of the day, we want better for them.
Even though it's them send themselves, but them will look better. So it's not just them will just go there after them, but them will look better for themselves. And even though enough of them, or some of them, might not come back, some of them are still coming back to help the country itself. So I think they should still help the students.
Boy, you cock up green clocks and purple clocks. Them things they're not working in Jamaica. You're the only prime minister I see come do that, you know. No prime minister in the world. You hear what them call you? Bro God, government badness. Prime minister not deal with badness. I love them dealing for the people.
Thank you guys for watching once again. So my personal opinion on this matter, I really don't think that the government did enough to ensure the safety of its citizens in Ukraine. I really don't see it at all. More could have been done. You know, more empathy could have been exercised regarding this situation. It's just ridiculous. Now we have this whole madness going on, and it just feels like, you know, the government is trying to cover their tracks, doing a ton of PR, gaslighting the students, you know, posting screenshots and doing all of this to try to demonize the students and try to avoid any sort of accountability on their part. I think it's just ridiculous. This could have all been avoided in my personal opinion, but I'm really glad to know that the students, they were able to reach the borders. They're currently in Poland based on what I've seen, and they're safe. That's very reassuring. Alright guys, so thank you again for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you guys want more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe, alright? I'd love to hear your thoughts regarding this particular matter, so please comment below as well, alright? So thank you guys again for watching, and, you know, peace. Take care of yourselves, alright?
And then like what I just said, well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.